Hello, everyone. Welcome back to LWLA Learning while listening anytime. I am Jessica.
And I am Alex. We are very happy to spend this peaceful rainy evening with you today.
Today, we are sitting in a small cafe near the window. Outside, it is raining softly. The air feels cool and fresh.
Yes, the sound of rain is very relaxing. I love rainy days because they make me feel calm and peaceful.
Me too. Rainy days are perfect for drinking warm coffee, listening to music, and having slow conversations.
Exactly. Right now I have a hot cup of coffee in my hands. It smells wonderful.
It looks delicious, Alex. When it rains like this, what do you usually like to do?
Well, on rainy days, I really enjoy staying indoors and relaxing. It is the perfect time for hobbies.
That is true. Speaking of hobbies, what is your absolute favorite thing to do in your free time?
My favorite hobby is listening to music. I listen to music every single day.
Music is great. What kind of music do you listen to when you want to relax?
I really like jazz and classical music. It helps me focus when I am working or resting.
That sounds very peaceful. Do you play any musical instruments, or do you just listen?
No, I don't play any instruments. I just love listening. What about you, Jessica? Do you play an instrument?
I do. I play the acoustic guitar. I practice playing it every weekend.
Wow, that is amazing, Jessica. Is it difficult to learn how to play the guitar?
It was difficult at first, but with practice, it becomes much easier and very fun.
How long have you been practicing and playing the guitar?
I have been playing for about 2 years now. It makes me feel very happy.
That is great. Besides playing the guitar, do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I do. I also really love reading books. Reading is a big hobby of mine.
That sounds wonderful. What kind of books do you like to read the most?
I enjoy reading mystery stories. They are very exciting and keep me interested. Do you like reading?
I like reading sometimes, but I prefer doing other things when I have free time.
Oh, what other things do you like to do when you are not listening to music?
Well, I love photography. I enjoy taking photos of nature and beautiful buildings.
Photography is a beautiful hobby. Do you use a big professional camera or your smartphone?
I usually use a small digital camera. I always take it with me when I go for long walks.
That is nice. Walking in nature is very good for your health and mind too.
Yes, I like staying active. I also go running in the park every single morning.
Wow, you run every morning. You are very disciplined with your routine, Alex.
Thank you, Jessica. It gives me a lot of energy for the rest of the day.
I really need to exercise more. Maybe I can start walking in the park too.
You should. It is very peaceful in the morning when the sun rises.
Do you like any other outdoor activities or sports besides running?
I like playing badminton with my friends on Saturdays. It is very fun and fast.
Badminton looks difficult. I am not very good at sports or running.
That is okay. Hobbies don't have to be competitive. They just need to make you happy.
You are completely right, Alex. Hobbies are meant to help us relax from work.
Exactly. Do you ever watch movies or TV shows to relax in your free time?
Yes, I do. I like watching documentary films about history and nature.
Nature documentaries are fascinating. You can learn so much about different animals.
Yes, and the video quality is always so beautiful, green, and colorful.
I prefer watching comedy movies. I love movies that make me laugh out loud.
Laughter is the best medicine. Laughing always makes a stressful day much better.
It really does. Do you have any new hobbies that you want to learn in the future?
I want to learn how to paint with watercolors. It looks very relaxing.
Painting is a wonderful choice. You could paint the view from this cafe window.
That is a lovely idea, Alex. I should buy some paints and brushes this weekend.
And what about foreign languages? Do you enjoy learning new languages?
Yes, I am actually trying to learn a new language right now on my phone.
That is impressive. Learning a language is a fantastic hobby for your brain.
Thank you. It takes a lot of time, but I try to practice a little bit every day.
Consistency is the most important key when you are learning something new.
It really is. I also forgot to mention that I love cooking on Sundays.
Cooking is a very useful hobby. What is your favorite dish to prepare?
I love making homemade pasta and baking fresh chocolate chip cookies.
Wow, that sounds delicious. I love eating sweet cookies with my hot coffee.
Maybe next time, I can bring some homemade cookies to the cafe for us to share.
That would be wonderful, Jessica. Thank you so much. I look forward to it.
You are welcome, Alex. Well, our coffee is almost finished now.
Yes, but this was a very nice and relaxing conversation about hobbies.
It really was. Talking about hobbies helps us know each other much better.
Me too. Let's order one more warm drink and watch the rain outside.
That sounds perfect, Alex. Let's do it.